Pag hindi
Ay,
ikaw,
si Jude.
bakit lagi ko dyan? Doon sa ano? Niya.
Ilang game na to?
6. Doon na lang.
Okay, yan.
Ball.
Guys. Yung pangilan to, Ma'am Sek? Panglima?
6 na.
Anin? May 5 ka.
May ano pa?
5, 11 lang.
Tatlo na lang.
Tatlo lang? Cancel ba yun?
Games tayo.
Sabi 11.
Kasi 9
Tatlo lang ba? Okay. Lagi siya. Next game naman.
Salamat.
Let's go. Mike.
Si Mike, yung kailan pa ka mag-game sa kamay. Ano ba? Sige kuya, ano ko muna. Dati ni Mike, palit na lang.
High position. Mario. Okay. Final quarter. Olivas. Pass to number 20. And 10 seconds to shoot. Albo. To Mariano. Short rebound. Iliano. Pass break going to Del Mundo. Iliano. Wala. Rebound. Albo. Albo, to number 20, Hamza, wala, rebound, wala na bounce, same ball, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Too strong. Here's Del Mundo. Pass to Pirme. Tinggal pass to Del Mundo. And still by 87. Selamat. 87, that was 67. Al-Nakhla.
Kilaro, ito.
Still, Rustam Al-Nakhla. Pass to Albo. Fire, short. And ball out of bounds. Rustam Del Mundo. Setting the play for DSA. Pass to Pirme. And still by Mariano. Going to Albo. Albo, raise up. Mintes. Rebound Al-Nakhla. Pass to Mariano. Mariano drive. Break for 2. Here's Del Mundo. Setting the play for DSA. Pass to number 15. To Pirme. Pull-up jumper. Pull-up for 2 points. Lucky. Here's that Albo. Pass to Hamza. To Al-Nakhla. Got 2. Still by Pirme. Here's that Pirme. There's Albo. Pull-up for 2 points. Back-to-back 2 for Pirme. Here's that Albo bringing down the ball. Nice pass underneath to Olivas. Connect for 2. Score is 6-4. Del Mundo. Setting the play. Guarded by Mariano. Pass to number 15. 40 to shoot. Del Mundo. Double team. And ball tap out. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13. Mundo, back to Likian. Del Mundo, open for three. Malakas na ito ito Rivas. Pasto Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Pasto Albo. Albo. Wala rin ba Villano. Villano, bring down the ball. Villano, medyo nawala. Forma, okay. Medyo na napadon. Wala yung duelo. Yes naman Nakla. Pasto Mariano for three. Yes sir. 3 points. Score is 9-4. 5-point lead. By last shot. Del Mundo. Tumikian. Tumikian. Tumengano. Del Mundo. Wala ibang Hansa. Pass break. Going to Albo. All alone. Break for 2 points. Score is 11-4. 7-point lead. Last shot. Villano. To Del Mundo. Pass to Pirme. Pirme. And still by Albo. Albos. Yeah! Basket is down. Foul number 42. Time out. First personal foul on Pirme. Time out DSA.
No, umalis yan, no? Diyan? Diyan umalis? Pumunta.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, bonus free throw para kay Albo. And completing the 3-point play. Score is 14-4. 10-point lead last shot. Del Mundo. Pass to Likian. Back to Del Mundo. To Likian. Open on the side corner. Wala na ibang Hamza. And we stop Albo. Albo against Pirme. Sigsaging Albo. Block by Indiano. Tinakita na doon pala si Indiano sa likod. Gustav Polibas going for the rebound. Pass to Al-Nakla. To Mariano. Fire. Short. Rebound. Pirme. Pass to Indiano. Gustav Indiano. Indiano. Dire-diretso. Halat na ball. Tulikian. But ball. Out of bounds. Same ball. Gustav Likian. Nice pass to Indiano. Putting for 2 points. Al-Nakla. To Albo. To Polibas. 14 on the shot clock. Kick out pass. Steal by Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Pass to Pirme. Pirme. And steal by Hamza. Pass to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Bring down the ball. Pass to Albo. Albo. Mariano. To Polibas. Back to Mariano. To Albo. 10 seconds to shoot. Fire. Bang! 3 points. Okay, next the ball. Gustav Del Mundo.
Yan o, naiyak.
Likian. To Pirme. Pirme. Back to Likian. Likian. Tagging the basket. Too strong. Rebound. Hamza. Pass to Al-Nakla. Mustafa Al-Nakla bringing down the ball. Pass to Albo, another three. In and out. Rebound Del Mundo. Mustafa Del Mundo bringing down the ball. Pass to Iliano. Iliano. Turn around. Pitch and traveling. Okay, substitution. Okay, block up floor. Replace Collidas. Hamza, pass to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Pull up jumper. Too strong rebound ni Kian. Pass to Del Mundo into Iliano. Pirme from the baseline. Ito ang pass to Del Mundo. Iliano. It's nice pass. Elbow. Same ball with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, 12 seconds shot clock. Likian on the inbound to Pirme. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Likian. Del Mundo. Wala. Rebound. Block up floor. Pass to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Strong to the basket. Too strong layup. Ball goes to Del Mundo. Pass to Pirme. Pass break. Break for 2. 1 minute remaining. Here's Carl Albo. Using the time. Pass to Al-Nakla. 41 na shot clock. Block the floor. Losing the ball. Recover. 10 seconds to shoot. Albo. Open for 3. Shot. Pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Ripping the ball. Guarded by Mariano. Pass to Iliano. Iliano for 3. Rebound. Hamza. But there's a whistle. Foul number 15. That was Likian. First personal foul and the second team foul DSA. Here's Carl Al-Nakla. Bringing down the ball. Pass to Mariano. 40 on the shot clock. Albo to block the floor. Wala, malakas rebound ni Kian. Pass to Del Mundo. Outlet pass going to Pirme. Pirme. Wala. Rebound. 5 seconds. Pass mo lang yan. Al-Nakla. To Mariano. Wala. Okay. End of the first quarter. Score natin 7-15. Okay, next game natin, finals ng World 2010 between Young Vikings and Team Homecourt. Mamaya yan, pagkatapos nito.
Saan ko kanina? Kasi wala siya.
Ano yung walang possession?
Una, last shot to. What do you do this?
Okay, back to the ball game. DSA ball.
Nagawa kayong presentation kay Maers. Wala pa pala yung ano. So kaya yung... Tayo. Takbuhin mo. 3 man. Next ito. Oo. 3 man.
Iliano! 3 points! Mustafa Al-Nakla. To Carpio. And forward dribble. Sabit. Okay. Papasok ba? Galilea. O sige, mamaya na. Meron pang distraction. Mustafa Pirme. Lubos sa matakas. And what was a steal? Sige, sab. Mortin. Okay, sakto. 10 seconds to shoot. Laho from the corner. Mundo. Spin! Ayan, nasa reserve, meron tayong foul. Number 8, Blanca Flor. That was your first personal foul, first team foul, last shot. 2 free throw for Del Mundo. First throw, connect. Second throw. And in and out. Laho, number 2. Score, 17-14. Tatlo na lang. Itong na lang ang last shot. Al-Nakhla, pass, back, 3 points. Del Mundo, to Emiliano. Emiliano, track for 2. Score is 16-20. 4-point lead last shot. Al-Nakhla, to Carpio. To Lopez. Wala rebound Emiliano, pasa Del Mundo. Del Mundo to Pirme, track for 2. Score 18-20. 2-point lead, last shot. Al-Nakhla to Blanca Flor, takes. Nakalusot! Sayang! Pumasok! Wala, pero may foul. Number 13. Number 13. 43 or 13? Okay, that was Galilea, 43. First personal foul on Galilea. Okay, on 9 June. Okay. Sino yung papalit? 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Sino yung substitution? Okay. Si Albo. Okay, si Albo. Titira ng 2 free throw. First throw. Wala. Second throw. And 1 out of 2 for Albo. 18-21. Del Mundo. Pass to Emiliano. 14 shot lang. Emiliano. Nice pass! Underneath to Del Mundo. No look pass coming from Emiliano. Carpio to Albo. To Al-Nakhla. Al-Nakhla crossover. Take a pass to Albo. Libre sa 3. Ha! 3 points! Gustav Del Mundo. Setting the play for DSA. Pass to Emiliano. Emiliano to Pirme. Pirme. Losing the ball to Galilea. To Ploho. Back to Emiliano. Emiliano from the baseline. To Ploho. Almost. There's a whistle. Foul number 2. Carpio, that was your first. Second team foul, last shot. And a 2 free throw for Ploho. Okay, first throw. Wala, malakas para ng Ploho. Okay, reserve timeout tayo. Second throw. Wala. Okay, time out. Requested by last shot. Official score 20-24. 4-point lead by last shot.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ano na? Ha? Sorry. Sisindi ba siya?
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, Albo ngayon down. Pass to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Pass to Albo. Back to Al-Nakla. To Lopez. For three. Too strong. And meron tayong whistle. 43 na huli. Foul number 43. On Galileo. That was your second.
Second.
Second team foul for DSA.
Second person.
Okay, second personal foul. Lopez on the down. To Blanca Flor. Blanca Flor from the baseline. To Carpio. Carpio taking out pass to Albo. Another three. Wala. Rebound Loho. Pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Pass to Eliano. Eliano nakabuelo. And save ball tayo.
Asan yung po? Extension natin. Extension pa. Para doon sa... Pero pa yung talag ko ba yun?
Galilea. Wala. Al-Nakla. To Albo. Wala. Natabi na ng bola. Nakakay flow. Papunta kay Pirme. Wala. Rebound. Save by Al-Nakla. Ball goes to Albo. Here's that Albo. Bringing down the ball. Albo. To snap. Pero still by Eliano. Here's that Eliano. Sigurado ba yan? Lumipat. Itong si Eliano.
30 po, 22-24.
22-24. Mr. Al-Nakla. Pass to Carpio. Carpio, okay for three. Malakas rebound Pirme. Here's Del Mundo. Del Mundo bounce pass to Pirme. Rebound. Del Mundo. Ball goes to Pirme. Pirme to blow. 10 seconds to shoot. Galilea. For the lead. Wala. Galilea pa rin. Pinaliwa. Wala. Rebound. Carpio. Blanca Flor. Wala. Here's Del Mundo. To Pirme. Pass. Back. 3 balls. Chase the ball. 1 point lead USA. Here's Al-Nakla. Papawi Al-Nakla. For 3. 3 minutes remaining. 25-27 ang 2-point lead by last shot. Here's Del Mundo. Pass to Eliano. Eliano to Bloho. Wala yung same touch. Here's Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla bringing down the ball. Straight to the basket. Put it for 2 points. 25-29. A 5-0 run for last shot. Here's Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Mati bata glass. Galilea. Bola putak. For 2 points. 2 minutes remaining. Here's Albo. Pass to Blanca Flor. Blanca Flor. naipit. Wala rito, Villano. Villano ulit, Pirme. Pirme, wala goal! Nasa distant, etong si Hernando na. Itong si Pirme. Kumagat dun sa plate.
Isang para.
There's the Malak na. Pass na Albo. Albo. And there's a official foul on number
43.
43. Sabat.
Timeout.
Timeout, PSA. Galileo, that was your third personal foul. 13 foul, PSA. Timeout, PSA.
Ano yung pagkain dyan, Mar?
Ano mo na ba yung mga medal na tikitan lang?
Hindi pa. Ay, maliit na ba ito? King na doon si Coach. One bike. Happy medal.
Wala ba medal doon?
Wala. Papabilis na kanina eh. Kung andyan na yung medal kasi didikitan. Didikitan yung medal. Masabi doon kung andyan na yung medal.
Sabi mo, wala medal, titikit na rin.
Kanina kasi sabi na pabili pa. Baka andyan na ba?
Ayun na yung nakaplastic siguro yung nakaplastic na yellow.
Anong coach?
First throw, correct.
Wala pa yung suggest top na.
Out of 2 for Albo.
Sino?
Gustav Albo. Laban ng mundo! Dikit na dikit. Albo. Lopez. Tutolibas. Mariano. Pulang jumper. Medyo malakas. Kasi rebound by Hansan. Tristan. Rebound ng Loho. Del Mundo. Going to Pirme. Pirme to Ligia. Nice pass to Ilano. Punta. Pirme Bukos. Pagkak na naman tayo. 31 all. With 40 seconds remaining. Gustav Albo. Pass to Polibas. Back to Albo. Albo for 3. Wala rin ba yung Ilano. Pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo bring down the ball. Waiting for his teammates to Ilano. And traveling long. Kita yun. Yes, ball. Okay, shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Tabla tayo sa 31. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. And turnover. Sayang yun. Last shot para sa last shot. 8.7 seconds remaining. Pwede pa yan. 5 seconds. Ilano straight to the basket. Blocked by Hansa. Likia, wala. Oh, that's the second quarter. Ops sa mga trope. Boom. Okay. Deadlock all 31.
Kailangan ko may download na yan eh. Dami si Pati yan. Nakawain tayo ng mga magulang. Shot. Last shot. Last shot. Yan ang mukha natin.
DC yan, DC.
Nag-quarter na yan. Palit na ako.
Pinalit din.
Palit na yung araw. Bye na kayo. Sa yung quarter, DC natin binigay. DC natin binigay sa yung quarter. Nasa ilalim ako eh. Teka lang. Oo yun yan. Wala siya. Kung hindi silang kukuha mo eh, hindi na delete mo na.
Ako, dinidilit ko.
around the corner. Short rebound Del Mundo. Del Mundo getting down the ball. Añado, nice pass to Flo. Nabitawan yung bola. Flo, getting some miss to Nikian. Nikian, malakas. Palat. Para kay Flo. 23-31. Alakla to Albo. Bang! 3 points. Firme to Del Mundo. To Liliano. Fires. Malakas. Rebound to Rivas. To Alnakla. Alnakla. Balik by Del Mundo. Alnakla. Track for 2. Back shot. 33-36. Here's Del Mundo. To Iliano. To Firme. Back to Iliano. 41 the shot clock. Firme. Way downtown. Head up again. 36 all. Here's Alnakla. Gareth by Del Mundo. To Albo. Albo, another 3. Bang! Bawian ng tres. Del Mundo to Flojo. Flojo from the baseline. Takes reverse. Ang ganda naman ng dalawa doon. Para kay Flojo. Kumagat yung bantay doon. Sabay reverse. Here's Kamal Nakla. Ang Nakla. And so, traveling. Del Mundo on the inbound. Received by Firme. Back to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Guarded by Mariano. Del Mundo wala. Pero may foul doon. Number 24, Mariano. Mariano, that was your first personal foul, first team foul, last shot, and a 2 free throw for Del Mundo. First throw, connect. Tabla na naman tayo, 39 all. Second throw, short rebound, Hamza, pass to Mariano. Mariano. Malakas, rebound, Hamza to Alnakla for 3. Wala, rebound, Iliano against Mariano. Pass to Del Mundo, back to Iliano. Pass to the one man, there's the Alnakla. He's still from behind. Here's the Flojo. Pass to Del Mundo. Connect for 2. Change by goal, 41-39. Here's Kamal Nakla. Gareth by Del Mundo. Isa na foul. Foul number 22. Del Mundo. First personal foul. First team foul.
Warning lang, number 67.
Okay, warning on jersey number 67 for second motion. Okay. Alnakla to Hamza. Turn around against Flojo, winning for 2 points. Del Mundo. Basta Nikian. Firme. 14 shot clock. Flojo. Del Mundo. Iliano. 10 seconds to shoot. Iliano pull up jumper. 3 for 2 points. Alnakla. Way downtown. Short. to Iliano on the air. Block. Intimidated by Almala. Ariano. And okay. Medyo bumagsak yung shoulder doon. Paglihap. Tahan lang tayo guys ha. Okay, time out. Ikasin by DSA. Okay. Ingat-ingat din tayo. Ingat-ingat.
Time out. Isa na lang yan.
Mahirap ang tayo dyan. Dahan-dahan lang din sa ating paglalaro.
Nakapilang game si
Dalaw pa na. Ito nilagay niya yung isa.
Nagsan to si Gabito?
Okay, back to the ball game. Almo na down to Al-Nakla. 10 seconds to shoot. Hamza. And line violation, line ball. Del Mundo to Firme. Back to Del Mundo. To Firme. Firme, flipping the ball. 14 shot clock. Iliano to Del Mundo. Turn around. Underneath, still by Olivas. Yes, Kamalak to Albo. Albo. Pull up jumper, short rebound Iliano. Pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo to Iliano. Iliano, Gumelo, bounce pass to Bloho. Iliano, Gumelo, drive, connect for 2 points, 45-41, purple lead by DSA. Yes, Kamalak. To Mariano, fires. In and out, rebound by Hamza. And meron tayong foul, number 22, Del Mundo. That was your second team foul of DSA. 14 seconds out in shot clock. Olivas to Hamza. In and out, another rebound. Hamza, connect for 2. 45-43. Here's Del Mundo to Iliano. Iliano, dribbling the ball, pass to Firme. 14 shot clock. Bloho, drive. Wala, rebound. Aldo. Pass to Mariano. Mariano fakes. Dapat awag ng bola. Two minutes and 37 seconds out of the third quarter. 45-43. 2-point lead DSA. Nikian on the inbound. Pass to Del Mundo. To Bloho. Back to Del Mundo. Del Mundo fakes. Pass to Firme. Firme drive. Block. Same ball. Shot clock 12 seconds. 12 seconds to shoot. Del Mundo to Iliano. 10 seconds to shoot. Iliano to Bloho. Pull up jumper. Malakas. Receive rebound by Del Mundo to Iliano. Block by Olivas. Albo. Going to Mariano. Mariano for the finish. Malakas. Rebound. Here's up Del Mundo. Del Mundo to Iliano from the corner. Wala. Rebound Al-Nakla. Gusto ng Al-Nakla bring down the ball. Al-Nakla strong to the basket. Nothing but the air. Here's Iliano to Firme and open. Missed the shot. Rebound again for Iliano. Pass to Bloho. 10 seconds to shoot. Del Mundo. Pati. Air ball. Here's Al-Nakla to Olivas. Nagla. Fires. Wala. Rebound. Iliano. To Del Mundo. Okay, here's now Del Mundo slowly bringing down the ball. Pass to Iliano. 14 on the shot clock. 1 minute remaining inside the third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Iliano fire! Shot! There's a rebound, Nikian! Nikian! Shot! Rebound by Hamza. 45 seconds. Here's the Albo. Here's the Albo. And there's a whistle. Foul number 15 on Nikian. Nikian, that was your second personal foul. Brother. 13 foul DSA. Here's that Albo. Pass to Mariano. Olivas, 10 seconds to shoot. Al-Nakla, a floater, malakas. Rebound. Al-Nakla again to Mariano for 3. Shot again. Rebound. Shot clock is off. Here's that Nikian. Nikian to Pilgrim. Yung pasa. Eto na. Mariano, 15 seconds remaining. Last shot para sa last shot. Ayan, Albo! Last shot! Tawag! Wala rebound! 5 seconds! Iliano to Pirme! Pirme to Iliano! 22. And that's the end of the third quarter. Official score 47-43. And a 4-point lead by DSA. Okay, next game. Championship game between the Young Vikings and Homework for 2010 regular. Okay, back to the ball game.
Late talaga after 2 minutes.
Okay, fourth quarter, Pirme on the inbound. Rojo. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Del Mundo. Wala. Another 14 shot clock. Pirme. Del Mundo. To Nikian. Nikian. Del Mundo to Pirme. Rojo. 5 seconds to shoot. Del Mundo. And shot clock violation. Rustam Hamza on going down. Pass to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla. Dribbling the ball.
Nakla.
2 points.
Pero alam ko meron na. Nalnak na sabi ni JJ. Parang key daw yung key yung ano eh. Hindi siya. Ako dati anak ko na yung basa. Basa ko.
Nakla yan.
Here's Cam. Albo. Albo. Double team. Hey, steal. Here's Cam Iliano. Wala. Kasi rebound. Del Mundo to Nikian. Still miss the shot rebound. Al-Nakla. To Lakablo. Lakablo straight to the basket. Wala. Rebound. Wala na bounce. Okay. Sam. Rizka Del Mundo. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound Carpio. Al-Nahla for 3. Yes. Rebound Ploho. Rizka Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Too strong. Rizka Al-Nahla. Fourteen shot clock. Hamza. Lopez underneath. Laka floor. 1.2 points. Deadlock. All 47.
Temot na ba na? Sakto na naman.
Galilea. Too strong. Save. Ball out of bounds. Okay, Hamza on the inbound. To Al-Nahla. Fourteen shot clock. Al-Nahla, wala. Okay, pass ball. Foul number 34, Iliano. Second.
Sen ba?
Filme, number 2. Lopez, bounce pass. Lacaplar, reverse block by Iliano. Del Mundo. Pass to Iliano. Yung sa Iliano. Ang botak niya, tumama pa daw sa tuhod. Okay. Last shot ball tayo, last shot. Rizka Al-Nahla bringing down the ball. To Lopez. Fires. Wala. Rebound. Iliano. Pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Okay. Halfway mark of fourth quarter. And still by Carpio. Rizka Carpio waiting for his teammates. And okay. Medyo umiga dito sa Bangalore. Okay, 14 tayo. Sakto lang, sakto. 14 sa ating nakitirang shot lang. Sub. Okay. Okay, 14 second shot clock. Carpio to Albo. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, Albo. Wala rebound. Eh, meron tayong foul. Number 28, Lopez. Hindi yun sa taas. Lopez, that was your first. Iliano. Baseline, Biggs. Ploho. 10 seconds to shoot. Filme, drive, block from behind by Carpio. Wala, rebound Lopez, pass to Albo. Gustav Albo. And too strong. There's a rebound. Albo, take for 2. Minutes remaining. Deadlock all 49. Baseline, rebound sa Lacron. Here's come Al-Nahla. 5, so strong rebound Iliano. Del Mundo, 2-1. Del Mundo, take for 2. 51-49, 2-point DSL. Okay, may tatlong timeout ang last shot. Dalawa para sa USA. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Albo, bang! 51-52, 1 point lead by last shot. 3 minutes remaining. Just come down with the pull-up jumper. Malakas, natin pagkagalas. Just come out ng pass break going to Tolibas. Tolibas, live, losing the ball, but there's a reason. Foul number 19, time out. DSA. This is the score 51-52. Tapos dito mo na, hanapin mo lang yung projector. Tapos mo lang yun, hanapin mo lang yung projector pagkatapos mo. Okay, back to the ball game. Two minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Gigi, ito. Problema mo. Ah.
Hey, Ken! Huwag ka na dito sa kanilang loob.
Giuliano for rebound. Here comes Del Mundo. Del Mundo to Flojo. Flojo. We have a all that's a traveling violation. Smith, 23 seconds for our last and final quarter. This is battle for third of 4 2010. This is versus Lasha. 52 against 51 in favor of Lasha. Number 67. Drops to drop. Miss. Rebound by Eliana. We have a call. Foul jersey number 4. First personal foul. Second of the team. Last 2 minutes. Flojo. Del Mundo. Eliano. 10 to shoot. 5. And we have a call. Foul jersey number 19, Flojo. Pushing foul. Second personal foul, rather third of the team. 1 minute 41 seconds. Hold on, guys. Number 67. Mariano's free. Mariano fires, miss. Ball goes to same ball for team to shoot. Sabrip. Fourteen shot clock.
Go for this three!
10 to shoot. 5. Good basketball. Eliano. Kicks it out. Number 4 hesitating. Back to Eliano. 10 to shoot. And we have a call. Foul on jersey number 24, holding foul. Second personal foul, third of the team. Two shots for jersey number 34, Eliano. He missed the first. Missed both free throws. Aldo. Aldo has the ball. And to shoot! Number 20 fires. Missed back of the rebound as Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Loses the handle. And to shoot! Umiyak ako na traveling violation. Tama! GSA! 19.1 seconds being set per minute for the last and final quarter. Official running score 52 against 51. The ball game for the charge. Time out. Daisy yung time out, Daisy. Wala na tayong shot clock. We have only game clock. We have only game clock, guys. Wait lang, Rep! Wait lang, wait! Wala na, wala na.
Sige na, ano, meron pass pa dyan.
Coach, may time out pa kay Coach, ha, Coach?
Dalawa.
Del Mundo. Eliano turns. Same ball, 9 seconds.
May time out ka, dalawa. Basket time out, Coach, no? Time out!
Last shot. 9 seconds. Hold on.
Nandiyan pala siya. Uwi naman pala ako. Nandiyan siya doon.
Sakto lumagay for the charge. Time out. Last shot, may isang time out. Ang DSA wala ko.
Wala naman si Johnson. Yes, wala si Johnson.
What a play and what a shot for DSA. grabe naman yun. Ito, pagkakataong bumawi ni Coach Jim. Nag-last shot, 6.6 seconds remaining. Both teams ala ng timeout.
Wala na basketball, no?
Right, guys, let's go. Let's go, Lasha. Ganda naman ang play ni Coach Mark doon.
Amir! Other side, other side!
Three seconds.
Go, 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 go! Go, go!
1 second. Warning for penalty, last shot. Warning for penalty. 1 second.